Next one is call it as subaerial stem modification. What is the meaning of subaerial stem modification? Subaerial means aerial means above the ground. Subaerial means one of the layer that can be present below the soil, the root that can be able to present next layer of the ground, that is called it as a subaerial stem modification. Here the subaerial stem modification, plants are weak stem, they contain a weak stem, branches lie horizontally on the ground surface. These are the main character for the subaerial modification. Then that subaerial stem modification mainly meant for vegetative propagation purpose. The subaerial modification are mainly for vegetative propagation. It is otherwise call it as partially subterranean or a subaerial. That subaerial stem modification, they are classified into four major category. First one is call it as runner, second one is call it as stolen, third one is call it as sucker, fourth one is call it as offset. Here runner, what is runner? The stem that can have the capacity to run just below the ground layer, that is called it as runner. That runner, they can have the characters of slender in nature, prostrate in nature, branch creeping on the ground, and roots at the node, especially rooting at the node. For example, Centella asiatica. Centella asiatica is nothing but vallaraikkirai, Indian pennywort, common we say Indian pennywort, or Oxalis, woody sorrel, lawn grass, that is Arugambul, Cynodon dactylon. Here there is a grass, the rooting that can be able to arise from the nodal region. These are the main character for the runners. In a runners, normally it can be run just below the ground. They can have the capacity to produce their nodes, root that can be able to present at the node. Here there is a Centella asiatica, here there is a Cynodon grass. Next one is called it as stolen. What is the meaning of stolen? Stolen means it is also a slender, then they contain a lateral branch originating from the base of the stem. The stem, they can have the capacity to modified or originating from the base of the stem, that is called it as stolen. It first grows obliquely above the ground. They slightly move upward or grow upward and produce a loop-like or a bend-like structure that bends down towards their ground. That is called it as a stolen. For example, mentha, Tamil we say pudina. In one more character, when touches the ground, it produces roots and become on independent plantlets. The stolen also is meant for one of the vegetative propagation purpose. Mentha peperita, peppermint, pudina, Fragaria indica, wild strawberry, one of the strawberry variety. These are comes under the stolen. Then third one is called it as sucker. The sucker that can have the capacity to develop from the underground stem, but they can have the capacity to grow obliquely, but it can be able to move upward and give rise to a separate plantlet or a new plant. For example, chrysanthemum, musa, bambusa. Chrysanthemum is nothing but a chevandi. Musa, that is nothing but valai maram. Bambusa, that is nothing but bamboo tree. Musa, some other Musa variety, they can be comes under sucker. In Musa paradisiaca, they can be comes under the rhizome variety. Then last one is call it as offset. Offset that can be mainly present in the some of the aquatic plants because it is also a similar to runner, but the offset they can have the capacity to produce on their aquatic plants because the aquatic plants they can have the capacity to float on the water system. Some of the plants, especially Eichhornia, Pistia, Lemna, etc. So it is similar to runner but found in aquatic plants. The leaves are look like, especially in a rosette leafed form. Rosette means a small leaf like arrangement that can be able to present. Then the offsets are look like a short thickened lateral branches arises from lower axial and grows horizontally, leafless for a short distance. It produces a bunch of rosette leaf and root at nodes. Here, the offset they contain a short, thick lateral branches. That lateral branches that can be meant for lower axis and grow horizontally because due to the leafless condition in a particular short distance and produces a bunch of rosette like leaf. Here there is a bunch of leaf and roots that can be able to present at the nodes. For example, Eichhornia, water hyacinth, ஆகாய தாமரை அல்லது வெங்காய தாமரை தமிழ் வீசே, Pistia, Lemna, some other plants they contain a offset manner. That offset manner they can be able to present. Normally, modification of stem that can be mainly classified into three major categories: aerial modification of stem, subaerial modification of stem, and underground modification of stem. In our class, we want to describe in aerial modification of stem, subaerial modification of a stem, and underground stem modification. But we want to study in underground stem modification later. But what are the underground stem modification that can be able to present? Means here, what is the meaning of underground stem modification? Underground stem modification means the stem that can have the capacity to modified present below the soil surface. That is called it as a underground stem modification. That underground stem modification they can be able to classified into major category. First one is call it as bulb, second one is call it as corn, third one is call it as rhizome, fourth one is call it as tuber. Again I explain, underground stem modifications are classified into four major category. Bulb, for example Allium sifa, Allium sativum, corm, Colocasia. Third one is rhizome, for example Gingiber officinalis, turmeric. Fourth one is tuber, for example potato. These underground stem modification that can be able to describe in a next classes. Before that, the underground stem modification they contain and meant for vegetative propagation purpose. The main function is for the vegetative propagation purpose. Based on that, we want to study about the stem branching. You know what is stem branching? The stem branching is nothing but patterning of the stem branch that can be related with apical meristem. That is called it as a stem branching. The mode of arrangement of stem, simply we say mode of arrangement of stem, that is called it as stem branching. These can be explained later. Then these are the some of the modifications, aerial modification, subaerial modification and underground stem modifications. then arrangement of the stem that can be able to studied in our syllabus.